Yes, this is Fini Tornadoes ice cream variety, and it's the summer limited edition. Not just a limited edition; it's a seasonal limited edition. You got me there. Yeah, Fini we've had before. Fini produced like one of my favourite, like pencil sweets. Total, which is the tongue colouring blue raspberry variety. They are very nice and had more than a couple packets over a period. Obviously not immediately one after the other, because my tongue would be permanently purple by now. But yeah, they are good and I enjoy. So when I saw this in One Below, I did have particularly high hopes, because this brand is reasonably good. They're not the best brand. That's a bit unfair. They're a good brand. They're not like anything that's poor, as far as I can tell from what I've experienced. If you need to know what's found within, it's a little bit difficult, because it's kind of wrapped around the side of the packet here, over here. And just as a heads up to you, this may have a 129, which may have adverse effects in activity and attention in children. So that's a thing. So take that under advisement, and we'll see what happens to this, because I'm someone's child. As it were. Yeah, let's crack this open before I talk too much rubbish. So let me know in the comments below. Have you had anything from this brand, and what are your thoughts? Good, bad, indifferent? Yeah, let me know. Let's see if I can actually extract one. Or maybe I'll be able to extract some smell. This is difficult. This is really awkward. Ooh, that smell ice creamy. That kind of came out of there. So we need to pop you here. This is what we've got. It's kind of peachy pinky. On the packet it's really pink, but here it's like really peach coloured. It smells ice creamy. I guess they've gone for this texture to be like a cone, because it wouldn't be smooth. But yeah, let's go. Okay. I guess it's got a bit of a fruity outside. Maybe the cream's a bit fruity. It's hard to tell. But yeah, nice texture on the outer. Pretty standard creamy interior. Altogether, it tastes like ice cream. Good job there. Good job done. So definitely happen to see this and you're into these kind of sweets, hopefully you will enjoy these too. Yeah, they're good. Obviously the level that the blue raspberry tongue painters are is so good, but yeah, I dabble with these periodically. Have the packet and maybe enjoy another packet another time. But yeah, this is a good sweet. A really rather good sweet. So, on that, thank you for watching. Please comment if you've had anything else from this brand, or even just want to say hello. Yeah, like, share and subscribe. I'm here pretty much every day, sometimes more than every day, on occasion. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Stay safe, be good.